तो हेलो गाइस, आज मैं हूँ आतिराज। तो आज हम देखेंगे द लेसन द गवर्नमेंट एंड इट्स फॉर्मेशन. So we will learn in this chapter what is government, stages of government, different type of government, universal adult franchise, case study, women suffrage movement. We will talk about what is government. Government Government can be defined as a group of the people with the authority to govern a country or state. It sets and administrates public policy and exercise executive, political, and sovereign power through customs institutions and laws within a state. Function of the government. The government is the important as it certifies the meat and necessities of the people of the country. It ensures safety and security of the people by taking important decisions on their behalf. Government perform various functions for the peace and prosperity of the people. The government maintains an army to safeguard the country for foreign dangers. It makes policies so that country has peaceful and cordial relations with other countries. It also allocates essential services such as postal, railways, and banking of the people. It provides aid to people when there are any natural disaster such as earthquakes or landslides. It takes sufficient measure to eliminate social evils such as dowry, child labor, and female infidelity. It also works for the betterment of the weaker section of the society. Stages of the government. The functioning of the people is divided into 3 stages for the better working. It helps the government to make a quick decisions and problem does not stop at one particular level. Next page. There are 3 stages of government. One is central, state, local. Central helps in the government looks after the entire country. State looks in the government looks after the state. Local means city or town. The government in city or town and village. Different type of government. There are different type of government depending upon natural of powers the government has, how it has to come power: democracy, monocracy, communist, and dictatorship are a few types of government. Democracy, monocracy, dictatorship, communist. First, we will talk about democracy, a form of government in which people choose leaders by voting. For example, India. Then monocracy, a country that ruled by a monarch such as the king or queen. For example, Saudi Arabia. Dictatorship, a country A country government or the form of government in which absolute power is exercised by the dictator. For example, North Korea. Communist. Communist, we will talk. A system of the government in which the state plans and controls the economy and holds power, claiming to make progress towards a higher social order in which all goods are equally shared by the people. For example, China. Now we will talk about universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise means the right almost all adults to vote politically elections. Almost all present day government have generated the universal adult suffrage to its people. The basic requirements for voting is almost same everywhere except the for small deviation. Prior the introduction of the universal adult franchise, there were certain specifications required for the voters to cast their vote. For instance, before 2 years, Britain took the property for income of the person to quantify him to vote. In many countries, only men were allowed to vote. For instance, South Africa, as well as Old South of the United States, once disallowed their black population to vote. Now we will see about. No, we cannot see. No, we can. We will. I can't draw. The minimum age to vote in different countries. Village 21 years. India 18 years. Japan 20 years. Sudan 17 years. The introduction of universal adult franchise is a landmark as a demonstrate in the natural. It provides political equality to all the citizens irrespective of their caste, creed, sex, religion, or class. Thus, it sends the message of equality across the country. This is done to encourage national unity. People become more aware of their political surroundings, such as their rights and duties. Thus, people acquire a sense of responsibility towards the country. Case study of women's suffrage. First, we will see this B1. Learning. Yeah, loading. Local government, central government, state government. Match the following. This, the government in city, town, local, tier. That's correct. Show me. There are correct answers. Down, yeah. This. Loading. That only state governments look after the state. These are line wise. Sumit, that's correct. Back one. In this page, it is there. Loading. The government maintains an army subjugated. It is true. The government allocates essential service as a post. I think true. The government doesn't provide an aid to the people. Next, the government works betterment of the vacant society. That's correct. That's correct. In the 19th century, women had no say in state of affairs. They could not stand as candidates for elections nor could not vote. It was implied that only the men should have a say in the political affairs. The only duty of the woman was to look after the house. During Industrial Revolution, many women started working in factories or farms. They got a chance to meet other women and talk about political and social issues. By the end of 19th century, the right to vote became synonymous with women's struggle for equality. A movement was started to get voting rights for women. The suffragetting was the name given by the newspaper, the Daily Mail, to the women involved with the movement. The movement got significant support. Women won the right to vote in New Zealand in 1893, Australia 1902, Finland 1906, and Norway 1913. It was true that it was not be long when the women around the world would able to vote. However, the movement slowly down during the First World War. Many of these activities were shelved. However, after the end of the World War, women in many countries gained equal voting rights. For instance, Soviet Russia 1917, Canada, Germany, Australia and Poland 1918,
Czechoslovakia
1919, the United States, Hungary 1920, and Great Britain 1918. Thank you for watching this video.